ตัวเนี้ยสายพานนี่โจเปลี่ยนใหม่นะเปลี่ยนจากเป็นตัวนี้
Going to start the car now after I think 11 or 12 days of working. Gonna start the engine now to see whether it still has that very long startup time. Oh, started instantly. One more attempt to start. Oh.
Yep,ได้
Oh, feels different now. Okay, today is day 52. They are bringing me to the temple because I'm setting off tomorrow.
Hello, doggy.
The cat. Okay, today is day 54 and after 15 days of and 15 nights of staying in the workshop, okay, we are finally going off. We are finally on the move again. So first thing is we're gonna restock at the Big C supermarket and then we're gonna head northeast towards National Park. For there we're gonna set up camp for today. So there will be about 290 kilometers. There will be about 5 hours traveling today. Okay, we are in the national park now and it's very expensive. It's 430 because it's like dual pricing. Locals is I think 30 baht, foreigners is 400 baht and 30 baht for the vehicle. Okay, so we're going to go to LAM KHONG campsite now. But good thing is the ticket right can last for 5 days. So if I go out tomorrow, the lady there say she'll help me extend automatically. Yeah, monkey went in the car. Oh, they're all in the car. Yeah, there's at least one family of monkey in the car. Welcome to the park, like a safari. Wow, looking promising already. Yeah, not bad. This national park still has a food court. So today I'm gonna get lazy and just tap out some food for dinner. Okay, we are here already at LAM KHONG campground. The last national park at Chiang Mai, right, it cost 30 baht for car camping. This one, whooping 200 baht. But it looks good. It seems like there's already deer at the campsite.